Namaskar students. Now today we'll discuss the chapter number 2, polynomials. So first of all we'll discuss what do you mean by polynomials. Now any algebraic expression of the form an x raised to power n, an minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus dash 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 a2 x square a1 x plus a naught is said to be a polynomial of variable x. This x is called a variable where n is only a positive integer. This n power n should be only a positive integer. It cannot be negative or in a fraction. If a power of a variable is in a fraction or in a negative, then the given algebraic expression will not be a polynomial. Is it clear? So your power of a variable is only a positive integers, and a0, a1, a2 and so on, an minus 1, an. This is a0, a1, a2, an minus 1 and an. They are called real numbers. Means they may be rational or irrational. They are constant. Now, for example, basically polynomial can be denoted by a px, gy, that depend upon the variable. For example, px. For first example, I am taking polynomial of variable x. So px is equal to 2x plus y. 2x plus 5. This is a polynomial in variable x. Now, next example is gy. So gy is a polynomial of variable y. Which variable? Y. So this is the second example. Now we have discussed what is the condition to say that the algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. If your power of a variable is a only positive integer, then we can say that it is a polynomial. But if a power of a variable is in a fraction or a negative, then it is not to be a polynomial. For example, when we are taking another case, 2x square plus 3 root x. Now check whether it is a polynomial or not. First of all, 2x square plus 3 root x can be written as 2x square 3. Instead of root x, it can be written as x raised to power 1 by 2. Now listen, this you can see the power of a variable is 1 by 2. It means in a fraction. So this is not to be a polynomial. This is not a case of a polynomial. So this algebraic expression is not to be a polynomial. One more example, gy is a y square plus 1 upon y. Now the 1 upon y can be written as y raised to power minus 1. Now this power of a variable is again in a negative integer. So it will not be a polynomial. Clear? So this is all about a polynomial. Which algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial and which algebraic expression is said to be cannot be say a polynomial or not. Clear? Now next topic is coefficient. For example, suppose I am writing a polynomial of variable x. It is 3x cube plus x square plus 4. Now the coefficient of x cube is a 3. Clear? Coefficient of x cube is 3. Now what is the coefficient of x square? There is nothing. It means there is a value of a 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. Now in this polynomial, what is the coefficient of x? 2. Now in this polynomial, what is the coefficient of y square? Is 2. Coefficient of y is 3. Similarly, in coefficient of x cube is 3. Coefficient of x square is 1. Now one point to be noted that in this polynomial there is a no value of a variable x. So it means there is a no value of a variable in terms of variable x. So the coefficient of x in this situation is 0. It means if one variable is missing and if you are asking what is the coefficient of that variable, the coefficient of that variable is always 0 because there is a no value in terms of variable x. So the coefficient of x in this polynomial is 0. It is all about the coefficient. Now the next topic is degree of a polynomial in a one variable. We are discussing about a one variable because they have a one variable. Now the degree of a polynomial is the highest power of a variable. For example, this px is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 4. In this situation, the highest power of variable, in this case power of variable is 3, power of variable is 2, and there is a no variable. It means the highest power of variable is 3, so the polynomial degree of this polynomial is 3. Now the next example, 2y4, 3y cube, 5y plus 8. Now in this situation, the degree of a polynomial is 4. Now I am taking a one example in terms of two variable also. For example, I am taking this situation, 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x square y cube plus 4x square y minus 3y plus, this is the case of a polynomial in terms of two variable. Now if it is a term of a two variable, then how we can find out the degree? Now this is the variable of power 4. This is the variable of x and y. X raised to power 2, y raised to power 3. So if we add these two numbers, what is the sum? Degree sum is 5. In this situation, 2 plus 1, because the power is x, x power is 2, y raised to power 1. It means their sum is 3. In this situation, 1. So highest power is 5. So degree of this polynomial is 5 because their sum is 5. In this situation, 4. In this situation, 3. In this situation, 1. So highest power of variable is 5. So degree of this polynomial is said to be a 5. Clear? So degree of a polynomial is basically highest power of a variable. Now next is constant polynomial. What do you mean by a constant polynomial? A polynomial consisting of a constant term only is said to be is called a constant polynomial. Means the polynomial which have only a constant term is said to be a constant polynomial. For example, 1 by 2, 6, minus 5. These are called a constant polynomial. Now, one thing should be remembered. What is the degree of constant polynomial? The degree of constant polynomial is always 0. You should note down this step. The degree of constant polynomial is always 0. Is it clear? So, this is all about your polynomial, which algebraic expression is said to be polynomial and which are not. Next topic is coefficient, then degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of a variable. These two examples are of a one variable. This is a variable of x, this is a variable of y, and this third example is a case in which both the variables occur. In that situation, the degree of a variable is, degree of this polynomial is 5. Now the next is constant polynomial. With polynomial which have only constant term is called a constant polynomial, and the degree of constant polynomial is always 0. That's all.